Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your computer and device. Make sure iTunes is updated and your iPhone is charged above 50% or connected to power. Once done, connect the iPhone with the original USB cable and unlock it so iTunes can access it. This avoids permission prompts. Next, create a local backup in iTunes, Summary Backup Now, to preserve data. This protects you if the update needs a restore. Finally, close other apps that might interrupt the transfer and watch for device recognition in iTunes. You now initiate the update. Click the device icon in iTunes and open the summary pane. Then choose Check for Update. When an update appears, select Download and Update so iTunes fetches the firmware and handles installation. Make sure to read any on-screen prompts. Permissions and terms must be accepted. During download and install, keep the iPhone connected and avoid using the computer for heavy tasks. This prevents transfer errors. If iTunes asks for the device passcode, enter it on the iPhone to continue. You finish the process by letting iTunes complete the install and the iPhone reboot. After the Apple logo and progress bar, follow on-screen setup steps on the device. Once at the home screen, restore your backup from iTunes if needed via Summary Restore Backup to recover data and settings. Make sure settings, apps, and accounts sync correctly. If the update fails or the device is stuck, try Recovery Mode Restore in iTunes. If issues persist, contact Apple support for guided diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.